How to delete all saved videos on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your saved videos on TikTok. There are two simple ways to do this, so follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the saved icon to see your saved videos. Choose the video you want to remove, then tap on the yellow saved icon again. That's it. The video is now gone from your saved list. Super easy. But what if you want to delete all your saved videos at once? Here's how. On your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem. From here, select Account and Profile, then tap Profile Page. Choose Other, and when asked if your problem was solved, hit No. Then tap Need More Help. Now, just write a short request like, I'd like to delete all my saved videos and TikTok's support team will assist you. And that's it. 2 easy ways to remove your saved videos on TikTok. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.